This is my Acura Integra 94, and I'm having a problem with the door handle not opening the door. So when this is locked in that position, this was not, even though I pulled the handle up, it wasn't unhooking the lock, so I couldn't open the door. And I discovered what the problem is. The problem was this rod, I think it got bent, and so it's not pushing down as far enough. And so what I ended up doing is two things. One was I was able to lengthen it by make the adjustment here, because this just screws on. Screws on this way. After straightening the rod out in here, I put this thing back in. I didn't screw it on yet, just to make sure this is going to work. But let's see if it works now. If the straightening the rod is going to allow me to open the door. So I'm going to lock the door, as you can see, and then I'm going to pull on the handle, and let's see what we got here. Oh, it works. So just lengthening the rod will do it. Okay, so let's test it out. This is lock. I'm locking it. Doesn't open. Open it. It works. So again, it works.